Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to upload Instagram pictures or video on your computer. It's a very easy. First open your browser and new tab and type www.instagram.com and open your profile or sign in your profile. I am already signed in my profile Instagram account. The top right corner, 5 options. First your home or messaging, then plus button for create any post. I'm click the plus button, then for new post select from. Next option is select from computer. I will upload this picture on Instagram. Then editing portion, you want to crop, then and drag right to left, but I'm not cropping this picture. If you resize your picture ratio 16:19 4.95 1 by 1, I'm already post original form and tab next. You want to filter, you need, and then tab write the caption. So tap the share. Yes, uploading your picture. Your post has been uploaded. So if you want to check, click the right top circle and profile, then you see your post is uploaded. Then very easy. You like this video? I think so.
You like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.